Sabi na din talaga yung mga mapang-abusong pulis, no? Tulak ba naman ng isang pulis? Okay ka lang, sir? Sabi dito, pulis na nanulak ng rider sa Pasig. Posas ang inabot matapos mahuli sa viral video. Buti na lang nung nakakapag-video na talaga ang mga motorista ngayon. Eto, panoorin nyo. Grabe, no? Hanip na yan. Buti hindi talaga gumulong-gulong, no? Pero nakaladkad talaga. Dahil nga, yung impact at malaking tao siya. Ito na nga po yung detalye nun. Sinibak na sa pwesto at nag-public apology. A police officer identified as PSSG Erwin Lagwa publicly apologized after a viral video showed him pushing a motorcycle rider while the victim was driving along C5 Road in Pasig City. An incident that nearly resulted in a serious accident. Tama. During a press conference conducted by the National Police Commission or NAPOLCOM on May 14, Lagwa faced the media and expressed remorse over his action. Plastikan. Sabi niya, humihingi po ako ng kapatawaran lalong-lalo na sa taong naperwisyo. Lagwa said as he apologized to the rider and to the public following the widespread backlash online. Pero hindi na videohan. Nga. The incident sparked outrage on social media. Many netizens condemning the dangerous act and calling for accountability, stressing that law enforcers should serve as protectors of the public and not a threat to civilians on the road. Tama. Authorities confirmed that the police officer is now under the custody of the Quezon City Police District, while criminal and administrative charges are being prepared against him. Siyempre, dapat lang. He has also been officially removed from his post pending further investigation. The viral incident continues to draw attentions online, with many Filipinos hoping the case will serve as a reminder that abusive behavior and misuse of authority should never be tolerated. Tama. Malamang nakiskis yung balat ni Kuya, semento. Ginawa mong grated cheese yung balat niya, Kuya. Grabe ka talaga. Para ibuod ko lang ang nangyari sa pag-aresto at kasalanan. Agad na inaresto ang naturang pulis matapos kumalat ang video noong May 12, 2026 kung saan makikitang tinulak niya ang rider na si Vincent Cayanes na naging sanhi ng pagtumba nito. Mga kasong kinakaharap. Naharap po ang pulis sa mga kasong frustrated murder at malicious mischief. O dito, mayroon din siyang mga administratibong kaso sa ilalim ng Philippine National Police. Yan, nagpulis-pulis ka, gagawa ka ng kasalanan. Salamat ka kasi pulis ka, sir. Kasi kung hindi, baka hindi ka din ginalang ng mga tao. If that happened to you, kapati yung 10-wheeler na trucks, dinaan-daanan ka na talaga, dinurug-turug ka. Lalo na kung kaugali mo yung driver nito. Nakapikon ka. As I said, sa totoosin lang, kung madaming mga mabibilis na sasakyan, magkukos talaga ito ng napakadaming casualty. Diba? With S, casualties. Hindi nag-iisip mga pulis na to. Sinayang nyo lang. Sinayang nyo lang yung pinag-aralan nyo. Makukulong ka. Yung mga ipon mo, ibabayad mo pa dun sa naperwisyo mo. Paano ka na? Serve.